Hello traders, and welcome to weekly market analysis. I will walk you through the most important markets again this weekend. First of all, we will start with the indices, stock indices, as I can tell that most of you are mostly interested in that because a lot of happening there, and it is critical, you know, now for the upside extension and everything else. I will start with the Nasdaq, but for me this is a terminal phase of this move to the upside. Why? We had long-term 1, 2, 3 waves to the upside, and then we had a pullback which was minor comparing to the third wave, and we have now the fifth wave to the upside, and we are again striking this line. We had a rejection here, a rejection here on this line. Second touch, this is a third touch, and it's around 70,800. And also we have a wedge which is this one, which is also indicating on the monthly chart a terminal phase, and is telling us that soon we'll see a violent move. Overthrow we already had. This is a poking of this 17,800 resistance, which is a lot, and after that we will have either rejection. If we have a rejection, we need to watch the 16,800 for a deeper pullback into 15,600. That is regarding the Nasdaq. If we switch to SP 500, we have more or less the similar image, with the SPX not hitting this upside channel resistance, but also near the 5,000, which is a round number, and 4,980, and the price action indicates this support, but at the same time indicates a squeeze in the wedge, and a break below 4,850 will lead to a deeper pullback into 4,400. That is something that you should have in mind when making decisions about the stock market in the next week. To go to European markets, the situation is as well the same, so I will not also, and this is like the Nasdaq example, the same. One touch, second touch, third touch, and above the second, which means that we broke to the upside, and is around 17,000. So the line that I was looking at, the level I was looking at, wedge as well, and the long-term one and the short-term one, and the price action is getting to squeeze, and the rejection here at 70,000 will lead us to pull back into 6,060, which is the consolidation area of the DAX, of this DAX, I will say the top. It had this before, so we could have a lot of swings in this area as we go forward, because the European market still is not unclear what the ECB will do. Will it ease the rates or no? Similar to the US stock market, but according to the last Fed meeting, the US stock market is more probable that it will not increase the rate soon, as the market expects. Looking at the commodities market, we see a similar known consolidation long term between 2070 and 1070, 2070, and a break above 2070 is required to test the 2150 and to go strike through this long-term resistance. On the other hand, a break below 2000 will lead us to a deeper pullback into 1800. So this is something that you should look for, and the price action is getting squeezed and squeezed, and we can see a move soon. And very soon. I will not speak about the stocks at this point today because I'm tweeting a lot about this, and also if you visit edgeoftrading.online and on my Twitter timeline you see what I'm offering to join the private trading community, and also to join the to have a mentoring with me, oil, so you will know deeper and further and in details about the stocks, particular individual stocks which I'm trading with the options as well. You have also options trading strategy course at on the edgeoftrading.online. The oil as well is in this hard situation here, consolidation. I will show you this. This is the trend line, but the most important level now is 80. If we get a break above 80, then we could go to 87 and further to the upside, which is a viable option. For the downside, we need to see a break below 67. For now, I think we will stay in this consolidation. This is a heavy consolidation, but it seems that players in the oil market want to stay like this for at least a couple of months as we go. I don't know, is it like this, but it seems that the biggest players are hesitating for making a heavy moves on oil. We are on to crypto now. Bitcoin, this consolidation is really not good. Not good for both bulls and bears. It could continue. Look at this. It could continue for a while, and I really think it will. The possible pullback could be to 33,000, 34,000, and that there you can use a chance to go long and to build a buying position in Bitcoin. Nothing before that. Or in the case if it breaks above 50,000, it will not be late, but it will be clear then buying and rising to 75,000. But I think that it will not be the case for a while as we move further in the future. I'll try to see what is on the forex market, but is the same, the heavy consolidation, and the Euro USD is still struggling with this wedge. It is in a falling pattern, but if we don't see a break below 1.07, we cannot expect anything, any direction to the downside, because it could again reverse here. It could stay in a consolidation. Simply, it's not for trading. A break below 1052 will lead us for a destination downside into projected fifth long-term wave, which I am expecting. For now, you don't have a trades on the forex market. I was looking at many pairs. Situations is pretty much the same. One interesting situation is on Aussie dollar. which is turning to the downside, and if it breaks below 0.649, then it will be for the short trade to ride it to 0.58. Thank you for watching this overview. So go to my Twitter timeline and follow the offers I'm giving, the direct paying links that will give you an access to private trading community, mentoring, traders classroom, and the rest. And also visit edgeoftrading.online. Goodbye and have a nice trading week ahead.